Welcome to the future of luxury travel, the 2026 Audi Motorhome. With its sleek, futuristic design and state-of-the-art features, this motorhome represents Audi's commitment to redefining the motorhome experience. The front of the 2026 Audi Motorhome features Audi's iconic hexagonal grille, now reimagined with a bold LED matrix design. The sharp, angular headlights seamlessly integrate with the aerodynamic bodywork, exuding a sense of modernity and elegance. The rear exterior showcases a clean, sophisticated design with a full-width LED light bar that highlights Audi's four-ring logo. The taillights provide dynamic turn signals, adding to the motorhome's futuristic aesthetic. A hidden rear compartment is integrated for storage, providing ample space for camping gear or travel essentials. Additionally, the rear bumper features smart sensors for advanced parking assist, ensuring convenience and safety in tight spaces. The cockpit of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is a marvel of engineering and luxury. Featuring a fully digital dashboard with a customizable virtual cockpit display, drivers have access to real-time navigation, performance stats, and entertainment. Step into the living space, and you'll find a perfect blend of comfort and innovation. The motorhome features plush leather seating with adjustable recliners and integrated heating. A large OLED TV serves as the centerpiece for entertainment, complete with a built-in sound system for a cinematic experience. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Hidden storage compartments maximize space without compromising style. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, and a compact refrigerator. The minimalist design includes quartz countertops and ample storage for cookware and utensils. A smart faucet with touchless control and water filtration adds a touch of modernity. LED lighting under the cabinets enhances functionality and aesthetics, making cooking in the motorhome an enjoyable experience. The bathroom in the 2026 Audi Motorhome sets a new standard for luxury. Featuring a full-size shower with adjustable water pressure and temperature control, it provides a spa-like experience on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Motorhome boasts an electric drivetrain powered by a high-capacity battery pack, offering a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. The motorhome supports ultra-fast charging, allowing an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling and stability on various terrains. With a top speed of 90 miles per hour and impressive torque, this motorhome combines efficiency and power, making it a joy to drive. Given its premium features and Audi's brand reputation, The 2026 Audi Motorhome is expected to be priced between $200,000 and $250,000, depending on the configuration and additional options.